Hi everyone, this is Balázs from Racing Brick. A few months ago you could see the review of the Icons 10330 McLaren MP4 on the channel, and I also made a separate video with our experimental 3D printed wheels to show how LEGO should have made them. I got lots of requests at the time to share the files, even though I emphasized in the video that they were made for testing purposes only, they were fragile and not practical for anyone else. Fortunately, many people have since designed replacement wheels. I've pinned one of them under that video, you can download and print them out yourself. But if you don't have a 3D printer, there are services where you can buy them ready-made. Forwart Sticker, a longtime partner of the channel and the sponsor of today's video, made a sticker pack for the car a while back. As I mentioned earlier, I personally don't miss the Marlboro livery on the car, but if you want to change the look, you can buy the sticker sheet from them. It's a very detailed sheet that allows you to customize the car for both drivers and also includes stickers for the original LEGO tires. But now they've gone even further because they also offer a set of 3D printed wheels for the car. These are made of PETG, the rim design is a bit different but they fit the car well. The rear requires a similar modification as I showed in my video earlier. These are the parts you need to remove, here they are, and you need these parts extra as replacements. Since you only get the rims in the package, you will have to buy the LEGO pieces yourself, or maybe you have them in your parts bin, after all they are pretty common. So that's the upgraded look with the stickers and the 3D printed wheels. You also get transparent stickers for the wheels, or you can put on the ones with the black background if you buy the full sticker sheet as well, whichever you prefer. The wheels aren't exactly cheap, but I found similar prices on eBay previously, and you can get the wheels and sticker pack together for a single 3.8 euros shipping fee worldwide. You can find a link to both products in the description. If you want to spice up the look of the set and don't have your own 3D printer, I think you can try this one, looks pretty good to me. Please let me know your thoughts folks in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe with notifications because more exciting LEGO videos are coming soon. See you next time, bye bye.